Guys, good morning. Yes, and makeup people are going on an adventure. Yay! What is going on, y'all? It is Tian here, and you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, aloha, and if you are an oldie, mwah, mwah, mwah. So, today we are going on a journey. Yep. In this video, I'm going to show you fun things that you can do in Ghana and also 5 places you should visit while in Ghana. But first, let me give you a quick tour of my hotel where I stayed in. Hey guys, so I just got to my hotel room. I've settled down now, so I'm just going to give you a tour of my room, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, so this is our room. This is the sitting area, the reading area, and this is the fridge with complimentary beverage as well, the kettle. Oh, these are our bags. We've not unpacked it yet because we just got it. And this is the bed. Nice portrait, yeah. This is the wardrobe. It's still empty. Say hi again. Hi. Oh, hi guys. I'm looking like a mess right now, but well, I'm going to get everything sorted out very soon. And this is the restroom, a toilet, the washing basin, and the bath. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is our room. This will be for the next 1 week. So guys, I'm just going to get ready, get settled in, then get ready. I think we're going to go to Badie Beach today and do some other fun stuff. Hey guys, so we are going to Badie Beach. First stop on this trip is going to be Badie Beach. Yes. Oh, by the way, the hotel I stayed in is called Manjaro Suites. Yeah, it was really cozy and not too expensive, and also their service was great, amazing service. So yeah, you can check them out if or whenever you visit Ghana. So back to our first stop. So the first thing that caught my attention was this guy making the sand sculptures. He was really cool. Oh my god, really cool stuff. And then the beach itself, well, not much to do or see. You know, I had a lot of expectations because people, while I was preparing for the trip, that was one of the things or places people said I should go to, Badie Beach. But I guess my expectations were too high because they were short-lived when I got there. It was not what I expected. First of all, it was not as clean as I had hoped, and you know, I was not really impressed, really. You know, it was fun, but I just hoped it was more than what I got. But aside from it not being clean, there are a lot of things to chew and snack on, like these sausages here. These sausages, look at how big they are. They're big and, you know, spiced with pepper, and there was also the Ghanaian version of the suya. I don't know if, I can't remember if it was suya they called it or something else. But yeah, that was really nice. And the fact that there was music as well. There was music, you know, playing, good music if I do say so myself. And I got to dance a little bit before we left. So yeah, it was okay. And also there was some entertainment. These guys right here, yeah, they entertained us with some of the acrobatics and stuff. Yeah, it was entertainment provided by some of the locals around, and I really enjoyed that part. Yeah, so well, all in all, it wasn't a total bad experience. Yeah, it was fair. It was a fair enough experience. I had fun, I guess, with my dancing and whatever, playing in the water and the entertainment provided by the locals. I had fun. I guess I was just hoping for more, but it was fun. At least I would rate it higher than what the Barracuda Beach in Lagos got in my review video. Yes. So if you've not seen that video, you should go check it out. I'll probably drop the link below in the description box so you can go check it out. Okay? Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm dressed up and ready to go out. Yeah. So we are going to Kwame Nkrumah Park today. We could not go yesterday because it rained, and so we are going there today. Yes. And we are going to Jameson Town as well, and some other places. I hope that we will be able to visit all the places I want to go to today. So I'm ready and about to head out. Anyway, so I'll see you guys in a bit. When we get to Kwame Nkrumah Park, I'll let you know. Okay, guys, so we're at the Kwame Nkrumah Park. So our tickets. Okay, folks, so this is the Kwame Nkrumah Park, and we paid 10 cedis each. Yes, 10 cedis each as entry fee. And I guess that's like the tourist price, because on that same ticket, we saw 5 cedis for indigents. I don't know, like my sister was asking, how would they differentiate, indigents and tourists, or the locals and tourists? I'm like, I don't know. See, scam. Ghanaians are scam. But anyway, yeah, so we paid 10 cedis each to gain entry. So we weren't allowed to film inside the museum though, and there was a lot of history in there, but we weren't allowed to film in there, so I can't show you all the things there, but it was a whole lot. So anyway, after learning some Ghanaian history inside the museum, we went to explore the other parts of the park. Yes, right here is the tomb, or the resting place of Faithia Nkrumah, Kwame Nkrumah's wife, who apparently played a major role during his reign. And yes, we had a tour guide to show us around the park as well. I had fun at the Kwame Nkrumah Park. It's a really beautiful place. Oh my goodness, it has some great places to take pictures with, starting with the famous Kwame Nkrumah statue, and oh my goodness, the water fountains. Yes, beautiful water fountains with the statues. It was a beautiful sight to behold. Yes, I totally enjoyed visiting that park, and there are also places there as well to sit with shades provided by trees scattered around. There are a lot of trees around to sit down there as well. It's a really cool place. Kwame Nkrumah Park is a really cool place to go to whenever you visit Ghana and you're in Accra. You should visit the Kwame Nkrumah Park. It will be worth your while, I can guarantee you that. And then we also decided to check out the arts gift shop inside the park. Yes, there's a gift shop there, and it is obviously designed for tourists because the things there were really expensive. Don't ask me how I know. I just know that they were really pricey, and so we didn't buy anything. We just went there to window shop and we're out of that place. But all in all, it was really fun. It was really fun, and I learned a whole lot about Ghanaian history and what have you. So it was great. It was a fun and educational treat that I gave myself. And you know something, this Kwame Nkrumah Park reminds me of the JJT Park in Lagos. Yes, it looks so much alike. If with the ambience, with some of the things, they have some similarities. They have some things in common. Yes, they. It just reminds me of the JJT Park in Lagos, and I have a video on that park as well. So you can check it out. I will drop the link in the description box below so you can go check that out as well. Next up is the Art and Craft Village. Now, as the name implies, the place is filled with different shops with Ghanaian outfits and cultural items for sale, and there are really, really nice pieces there. I can guarantee you that. And they had really cool stuff. I think I even got like a pouch from here made with kente. That's the Ghanaian fabric here. And oh yes, there is also an art gallery in there. Yes, oh my goodness, that place is beautiful. It is beautiful because it is filled with so much art. Like there's a display of various artworks from different artists, and they are really nice stuff. So if you are a lover of the arts, you should definitely stop by here. You would love it. Like you would totally love it. So from here we left for the Independence Square, or the Black Star Square as it is called now. And it's not too far from the Art and Craft Village, and I think myself and my sister just took a stroll there. We were gisting and we just walked there. But if you're not up for it, you can take a cab or a bus there as well. It's not far from the Art and Craft Village at all. So yeah, the Black Star Square had really cool places to take pictures as well. But aside that, there's not much to do there. It's like a stadium. I actually think it's a stadium, so it will probably not be busy except when there are events going on there. But we were told that if we had come earlier, we could have gone up to the top sitting areas where would have gotten an aerial view of the entire landscape of the place, which would have been cool, but we got there late and they said they had closed and stuff, so they couldn't open up the place for us. So if you would like to try that out while you are there, make sure you go there early, preferably in the morning, so that they don't have any excuse to say they've closed or whatever. So yeah, but I'm glad I went. It was an interesting landmark to see, and of course that I will always take pictures. So yeah, I took pictures there as well. So this is the main adventure of this trip. On this day, I don't know why or what I was thinking, but on this day I decided to drop my tourist badge and move around like the locals do. I was going to visit the Osu Castle, and instead of taking a cab as I've been doing, I decided to take a bus, which they call the Trotro. I hope I got that right. Trotro, yes. And I paid 2 cedis for the trip, which is not bad at all. However, I almost got lost. Oh my goodness, like it wasn't funny. But as a sharp Lagos girl that I am, I quickly asked someone for the directions, and the person directed me to how I would get there.
Get to there, and then you turn left.
This road. This one here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, So, after all of this, imagine my disappointment and heartbreak when I was told that I could not go in because the touring time, that's the time that allocated to tourists, was closed. After all of my James Bond adventure, I was so disappointed, but oh well. I got to see the place from the outside. Apparently, it's like the government house. Yeah, so, I was bummed that I could not visit the place. But I was rewarded because I found yet another park really close to the Osu Castle there. And this place was not on my itinerary at all. I just found it because I visited the Osu Castle, and this place is called the Asumdi Park. Huh. I hope I'm not murdering these names, so my Ghanaian people, I hope I'm getting these names correctly. Anyway, I learned that Asumdi means peace. So it's like a civilian military type of situation. Yes, and it's close to the water side. Yes, there's a water side around it. So it was really windy. Hence why I could not get any audio in at all. It was really, really windy. Yes, so I had a personal guide who gave me a proper tour of the entire place. And the place is really big. It's big. You won't even know that it's that big until you enter inside. And the personal guide that I got was really excited because I'm not sure most people that visit Accra go there. Most of the tourists that visit Accra, I don't even know if some people know that it's there. If I didn't visit the Osu Castle, I wouldn't know that this Asumdi Park was here. And I'm totally glad that I found this place. This place is really chill, They even have a fish pond with some animals around as well. And of course, now I got to take really amazing pictures here. Yeah, I got to take really amazing pictures here. And I'm sure for those of you who follow me on social media, I'm sure you might recognize some of these places. Yes, it's a really beautiful place. I don't know why, they don't project it out there like they do the others. It's really cool, a really cool place. Now, the only thing I noticed, though, about this place is the fact that it is not properly maintained as it should be. So the place is not looking as catchy or as attractive as it ought to be, or as it has the potential to be. Aside from that, it's a great place, and I'm glad that I discovered it. So you can check it out as well if you're in Accra. Asumdi Park, that's what it's called. All right, so I took a bus or a trotro back on my way back, and I stopped at Itama. I don't know if that place is called Itama Square, just Itama car park or something. And I stopped by for some coconut juice. Yes. Yes. So guys, I came to Etama Square from there, and I want to have some coconuts. Let's see if it's nice. Oh? Let's see how it looks like. I don't like it. Oh my god. It's like unripe coconut, so it's not strong. I've never tried to eat unripe coconut before. This ends my adventure because right from this point at the Tamar car park or square or whatever, I could not find my way back to the hotel. So if I decided to board a trotro, I kept asking the drivers and conductors trying to tell them where I was going to, that they should tell me the bus to take, but they kept on saying no. I almost got lost again. So you know what? To avoid stories that touch, I decided to take a cab back to the hotel. All right, folks, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, 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 if you've not already, please do subscribe to my channel, Tian TV. Hit the thumbs up button, ring the bell so you can get notifications as I continue my adventure. And do share this video with your family and your friends. My name is Tian, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.